Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Your OKX account is verified, and you already have two-factor authentication active. Once done, open OKX settings and choose Security, then Passkey. You need a Passkey-capable device and a modern browser because the system uses WebAuth, and that's why compatibility matters. Make sure you also have recovery options ready, like backup codes or another registered device, so you won't lock yourself out. This prepares you to create the Passkey now. Now you register the Passkey. Select Add Passkey in OKX Security and name the device so you recognize it later. When the browser prompts, confirm with your biometric, PIN, or platform authenticator. This step creates the cryptographic key pair. Private key stays on your device, public key goes to OKX. Once registration completes, test it by signing out and signing back in with the new Passkey to verify. If the test fails, repeat registration before removing older methods. Finish by optionally setting the Passkey as your primary sign-in method and removing obsolete keys. Do this only after successful tests. Make sure you retain at least one alternate access method, like backup codes or another device, because passkeys are device-bound. If you encounter issues, first try re-registering the Passkey on the same device. If still blocked, use your backup codes to regain access, and then contact OKX support with account details. One key tip: never factory reset your...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.